Okay, so even though it's literally April and we've been having some nice weather, it's literally 30 degrees outside and I didn't start my truck yesterday, so cold start. You know, you guys said you liked my glasses, but it's just like the glare is so annoying when I'm recording. Okay, so today's video is going to be just a little bit different than what I usually do. I kind of wanted to share with you guys how I get good pictures on my truck, and if you have a car, that works too. You know, I really think that if you're trying to grow a following on social media with a vehicle, you do have to get like really nice pictures of it. You know, some people would just post their Snapchat pictures, which there's nothing wrong with that, but I want to show you guys how to get some really good quality pictures. Actually, because my iPhone quality is actually so good. Usually I take pictures with my phone because it's right there anyways, and sometimes my camera isn't charged, but because I film my videos with my phone, I'm going to be taking them with my Sony a6000. I've actually had this camera for so long, and I love it. I probably won't get a new one until this thing like dies. So yeah, I'm just gonna kind of bring you guys along with me on a photo shoot. My mom's coming with to help me film because everybody's freaking busy. But yeah, we'll get into that. It's also super nice out today, which is a plus. I kind of hate doing photo shoots when the weather's bad because sometimes you don't have the lighting or, you know, just what you're looking for when you're doing it. But you know, I love the sun when it hits my paint. I'll show you. See, look at that. That thing is beautiful. All right, so first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna go wash your truck or car. You don't always have to, but when it's sunny like this, I mean, look, you can see like I live in Illinois, so it like rains dirt. But yeah, take whatever you got and go to a car wash. Get the filth off of it. It makes the pictures look so much better, I promise. Okay, we're just somewhere random. And when you take pictures of your truck, it doesn't really matter where you take them. We've literally taken them in like Target parking lots, in the middle of the road, even though when you take pictures in the middle of the road, you do risk people like getting mad at you because you're in the middle of both lanes, and you know, so we just are kind of somewhere where my truck could go, and I'm gonna show you guys how to take pictures. I got my camera. I don't really mess with my camera settings. I kind of just keep it on auto. Superior auto is usually what I keep it on, which is the orange camera. And then I find a good angle and I take some pictures. Something critical when you're taking pictures of your vehicles is always turn your wheel. Actually, I should have turned my wheel that way, so I'm gonna do that. But it kind of adds to the photo, if that makes sense. So look at how this looks versus this. It helps you, you know, if you got new wheels or something, you're showing off your wheels, and it kind of gives everybody like a better look of your truck. Okay, so let's get our camera on, take a picture zoomed in. You always want your pictures zoomed in at least a little bit. I know you guys can't see it that well, but you don't want a bunch of space up top, a bunch of space at the bottom. You kind of want the focus of the picture to be your vehicle. So I looked through my lens, so I'm gonna do that. And then you always want to get different angles. You don't ever just want to take one picture because you might get home and hate it. You know, go low. Also, fun fact, if you can find a way to incorporate yourself into your photos, you get more likes. I noticed that. I don't really know when, but I figured out, I was like, when I'm in the picture, people care a little bit more. It doesn't matter if you're a guy or a girl, if you can somehow find a way to incorporate like you into your picture, you know, have someone take it for you, it just does a lot better. Right, so we switched locations. It's another thing. You don't want to take pictures at the same spot every time. You can probably hear the cars on top of us because we're literally under the highway. What I really like about this place is there's so much going on everywhere. Always go somewhere where the scenery is nice if you can. Okay, so my camera literally died. So that's the end of this video. No, just kidding. Okay, so these are the pictures we got. Obviously, they're all unedited. I edit all my pictures on Adobe Lightroom. See how I incorporated myself? Do that. Have someone take your picture if they can. Okay, so I am actually done editing. I picked out the favorite pictures that I liked from the shoot. Again, you want to take a bunch of pictures because you're not going to like all of them. And I edit on Lightroom. I think I said that already, but I'm telling you again, whatever app you use. And if you're just starting out, play with all the settings. You know, get yourself used to what each setting means and what it does. And also keep in mind that, you know, if different weather, different lighting and stuff like that, you might be editing your pictures a little bit different. I kind of know by now, like, how I like to edit certain pictures according to that, but that's really much it. Editing's not that hard, and taking pictures is not that hard either. But that being said, I'm gonna roll the pictures that I took. They are gonna be edited. So yeah, let's take a look at those. All those pictures are gonna eventually end up on Instagram. If you're not following me, go do it. It's KayleeJane60. Like my pictures, follow me. I also wanted to have a quick chat with you guys. If you watch my videos, you know that I had uploaded or mentioned a couple times that my truck was gonna be being built for Daytona, like it would be done by Daytona. I don't really want to talk about what's going on, but it's probably not going to be done by then. So I'm really sorry if you were excited for that. So was I. That was going to be a lot of content that I was really excited to share with you guys, but I don't see it happening right now. I'd appreciate it if you stuck with me until I could get my truck done. It's just not going to happen as fast as I was hoping, or as I not necessarily expected. Yeah, more so just like hoping. But I just thought I'd let you guys know. I'm sad too. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, coming with me to take pictures and stuff. Again, you can take pictures anywhere. I take pictures in my driveway. I take pictures, again, in the middle of the freaking road. Fields, by barns is really cool, especially if your paint like complements the barn, or the barn complements your paint, and stuff like that. So, you know, get out there and take pictures. Also, if you're taking pictures on your phone, don't, like, you hold your phone like this, take pictures like this. So, selfie, picture. You know what I mean? Just turn your phone sideways, landscape wise, if that's how you want to say it. it looks better. And zoom in, always zoom in, never just like take a picture. All right, guys, I'll see you guys in the next one. Weep, weep.